Everyone, welcome to Learn Easy Maths. This is example number 2 from chapter 1. Here the question is we have to find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Here I am going to explain two methods. First, method number 1. Here I am going to use just average method. Like for example, if the value of A is 3 and the value of B is 5. Now I have to find the average value. That is the number between this 3 and 5. So you can use the formula is A plus B divided by 2. This is the average method formula. So A value is 3 plus B value is 5 divided by 2. 3 plus 5, 8 divided by 2. Now cancel it. 1, 2 is 2 and 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 4. So we can know a number between 3 and 5 is 4. So we are going to use the same method in this problem. So A value is 1 and B value is 2, right? We can apply it directly. So 1 plus 2 divided by 2. So 1 plus 2, 3 divided by this 2. So just now we found out one value, and first number is 1 and here the second number is, the last number is 2 and 3 divided by 2. Again we have to use the same method to find out the other 4 values, because they have asked to find 5 values. So take these two numbers. So 1 plus 3 divided by 2 divided by 2. Now here we have to take LCM. So we know that the LCM value is 2, right? So 1 into 2 divided by 2 plus here already the value is 2. So no problem, just 3 divided by 2 divided by 2. So here 1, 2 is 2 divided by 2 plus here 3 divided by 2 divided by 2. Now the 2 is common in both sides. 2 is same in both sides. So just we can put it as common. So 2 and 2 plus 3, 5 divided by this 2. So here 5, and if the 2 comes here, it will become 2 into 2, 4. So this is the answer. So between 1 and 3 by 2, the value is 5 divided by 4. Again we can use any two numbers. So I am just going to use these two numbers. So 5 divided by 4 plus here 3 divided by 2 divided by 2. Here also we have to take LCM. So we know the LCM is 4, right? So here already the number is 4. So no problem, 5 divided by 4 plus here the value is 2. So 3 divided by 2, we have to make it as 4. So we have to multiply by 2, both on numerator as well as denominator, divided by 2. So 5 divided by 4 plus 3 2s are 6 divided by 2 2s are 4 divided by 2. Now the denominators are same. So just we can put it as common, like 4. Here 5 plus 6, 11 divided by 2. So 11 divided by, if it comes here, so 4 into 2, 8. So the value is 11 divided by 8. Again we can use any two numbers. So I am going to use this 3 by 2 and 2. So 3 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 2. So we have to take LCM. So here the LCM value is 2, right? So here there is already 2 is here. So 3 divided by 2 plus here you need the denominator as 2. So you have to multiply by 2 on both the numerator as well as denominator. So I did write 2 as 2 divided by 1 into, I am going to multiply 2 on both numerator as well as denominator, divided by this 2. So 3 divided by 2 plus 2 2s are 4 divided by 1 2 is 2 divided by 2. So the denominators are same. So just we can put it as common, and 3 plus 4, 7 divided by 2. So 7 divided by 2 2s are 4, right? So the value is 7 divided by 4. Then use another 2 number to find out another value. So I am just going to use 3 by 2 and 7 by 4. So 3 by 2 plus 7 divided by 4 divided by 2. So here we have to take LCM. We know the LCM value is 4. So 3 divided by 2. To make the denominator as 4, we have to multiply by 2, right? So multiply by 2 both on numerator as well as denominator. Plus here already the value is 4. So no problem. 7 divided by 4 divided by 2. Now 3 2s are 6 divided by 2 2s are 4 plus 7 divided by 4 divided by 2. The denominators are same, so put it as common 4. Now 7 plus 6, the value is 13, right? Divided by this 2. Now 13 divided by 4 2s are 8. So the value is 13 divided by 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found out 5 values. So just we can write it in an order. Like the numbers between 1 and 2 are 5 by 4, 11 by 8, 3 by 2, 13 by 8, 7 by 4. Just write it in order. That's it. Now we can see method 2. That is very simple. Okay, method 2. Same thing, we have to find 5 numbers between 1 and 2. So we have to find 5 numbers. Is it? So we can take 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, anything. If you want to find 5 numbers, we have to take a greater number than that. If we have to find 6 digits, 6 numbers between these 2 digits, so we have to take like 7, 8, 9 or anything. So if it is given as 5 rational numbers, we have to take a greater number than that. So I am choosing 6 here. So the value is 1. First the value is 1, right? So 1 into, we have to multiply and divide it by 6. So 1 6 is 6 divided by 6. Then I have to take the last digit 2, is it? So same thing, 2 into, multiply by 6 and divided by 6. So 6 2s are 12 divided by 6. Now for this number, for this one, I can write it as 6 divided by 6. Also for this 2, I can write it as 12 divided by 6. Now it is simple. 6 by 6, 12 by 6. So the middle numbers are 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. So I can write these 5 numbers. So here we just got the common denominator. So 6 by 6, 12 by 6. And the denominators are same, right? So we can put as numbers between 6 and 12, like 6 by 6, 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6, 12 by 6. Therefore the numbers are, we can write these 5 numbers. Look, 7 by 6, 8 by 6, we can cancel it. So 8 divided by 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, right? So 4 divided by 3. Simply you can divide it by 2, like 8 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2, 4, and 6 divided by 2, 3. That's it. So next 9 by 6, right? 9 by 6 means 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So 3 by 2. Next 10 divided by 6. So 10 divided by 6, 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So 5 divided by 3. And here 11 divided by 6. So that's it. These are the 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. You can write it. Therefore 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2 are 7 by 6, 4 by 3, 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 11 by 6. Actually, there will be so many numbers between 1 and 2. So from method 1 and method 2, the numbers will be different, but the answer is correct. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.